So here we have the panel crowned up with just a little bit too much high crown in it, so it's just a case of manipulating the panel. You often have to just manipulate a panel before you start wheeling, just to get the generalized shape, just to get it down there. You see how it just conforms a little bit nicer now. And then I'm going to find out the radius that best fits through this original section I've done to copy this one coming into a flow. So it's a little bit tighter than a 4, it's just not quite as tight as a 3, so I'm going to jump in with a number 3 on the full radius wheel on the smaller machine, just to get some basic shaping going. And with the shape coming in, I'm just keeping within the target zone, and I'm kind of shaping and moving the metal just to give me that overall smoothness and blending to come into. On a smaller panel, you just got to initialize the shaping in the correct position, and then it's just a case of then you can go the kind of full width of the panel just to blend once you've removed all the highs and lows. Adjust the pressure just a hair because I can see that we're going to need a little bit more crown. And there we have just the basic shape starting to come in. A little bit of movement, manipulating the panel once again, just so that I can start to see where I'm conforming, and you can see how we have a little bit of a power bulge in here, a little bit of a power bulge in here, and that's what I'm sitting on. So I can basically utilize a little bit more stretching. Just a process, stretch and blend, stretch and blend. Stretch in the wrong area, especially for beginners. When you're learning how to do it, it's better to go a little bit slower and manipulate your panel into position, and then know that you're not stretching up an area that doesn't need to be stretched. It comes down and you set the panel back up again, and as you can see already we're starting to fit a little bit better. So I'm just going to continue with a little bit of wheeling, a little bit of shaping, and then when I come back we'll have a panel that's looking a little nicer, and I'll show you how to do the reverse curve coming in through the panel.